try to escape the rock. Out of those 36, 22 were recaptured and brought back to prison. 7 prisoners were shot and killed, 5 prisoners drowned here in the bay, and 3 prisoners are still missing to this day. Now you guys remember that movie The Rock with Sean Connery, Nicolas Cage? You guys remember that movie? You know how Sean Connery went to the Navy SEALs into a cave to get to the island? Here on the right side of the boat, above the water, that is the cave of Alcatraz. Now one of our escapees found refuge inside that cave for 2 days wearing only his underwear. Finally he gave himself up and was recaptured and brought back to prison. And the guards like to make fun of that guy and said that he suffered permanent prison. Now this big building here to your right, the smokestack chimney building, that's the power plant of Alcatraz, where they used to generate all the power for the island. And attached to its left side, the bakery with the yellow pipeline. Now right here on the water, where the rock wall meets the cement wall here at the bottom, this is where in 1963, 3 men escaped, Frankie Morris and the Yankee brothers. Those guys broke out of their jail cells. They made paper-mache heads to put inside their bunks. They stole some hair from the barber shop to make it look like they were still sleeping. They broke out of their jail cell, they tied a bunch of rain jackets together to make a life raft. Right here on the right side of the boat, jumped into the water, were never seen again. Now some people say they drowned out here in the bay, but no bodies were ever recovered. Some people say they're down in Argentina chasing around their grandkids. Other people say they invested in a boat and are now doing bay tours.